off, man. You coming or what? Yeah, dude, I'm leaving a message, man. You hear that? People asking about you already, dog. Get over here.
Smooth, man. That's good. There's some real people in here tonight. Come on, I'll take you to meet my guys. Come on.
Ah, look what the cat dragged in. Who's Bambi?
This Bambi just busted a 500-foot drift right through the I-5 intersection over Turner, man. Up the skid row, you know what I'm saying?
Must have been something. Haven't seen Spike this hype since, well, he's always this hype.
That's why you love me.
Robin. Good luck trying to keep up.
Trust me, babe, he'll do just fine. Matter of fact, I'm taking him to meet Travis right now. Maybe shift one of those rides taking up all our space. Come on, man.
What's up, Ames?
What's up?
That's Amy. Isn't she lovely?
Ooh, love you too, babe. Travis, yo, someone I want you to meet.
Oh, yeah? Tell me why.
You should have seen this guy, man. Control off the hook.
Well, you seem to have caught the eye of a speed racer over here.
Truth, man. This one's a helmsman.
You picked a good time to re-up. There's some top-grade talent in town who's ready to make history. Serendipity, brother. The stars aligning. Never a better time to start a project, Bill. So whatever's happening under that ribcage in here, it's time to start expressing it out there. Take him out for a shakedown. Maybe one of these mongrels will take a shine to you. Yo. Welcome to the clan, brother. Trading up. Nice, right?
Come on, Ames. I just need you to listen to it. make sure she's purring like she's supposed to. What's up, man? Please, please. She's parked just outside.
Spike,
Come on.
like I said, I got guys with no trust fund paying full price for this, so
Really? It's like that, huh?
it's like that.
Wait. There.
Wow, I feel so much better now.
I'm good for it, you know that.
And your dad's good for it.
Easy. This jacket was like $1,200.
Exactly, man.
Oil, man. Don't matter if you're the best damn driver this side of the 101. As far as she's concerned, don't mean a thing if you ain't got that green.
It's very poetic, and that is also true, so.
You ready to make some house calls? Come on, man. I'll meet you out front, and we'll give you the tour.
All right, boys. The others are waiting on us. Let's do this.
Survived a second race against Spike, huh? Guess I underestimated you.
Survive? No. Spike was struggling to keep up.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Not struggling. No.
He was just losing.
Haters gonna hate.
Emmanuel! Get your ass over here.
V-5-O phone. Hello, ladies.
What? No hug, man?
Hey, I wouldn't want to snap that skinny frat boyfriend in half. Oh, come on, little kid. Give me some love.
Don't let his appearance fool you, man. This beast is real nimble behind the wheel.
Name's Emmanuel. But apparently that's too many syllables for these fools. No, call me Manny. Oh, strong grips, huh? Hey, this is Fred, Norwegian Hammer.
What up, buddy? Frederick.
All right. Are we gonna find some trouble or just stand in a circle and make fun of Spike? I'm cool with either.
Talking dirty. Who's hungry?
I've only had one dinner tonight. I'm starving.
Seriously, where does it go? You eat like he should.
Yeah, Robin. Any more dinners and you're gonna bottom out.
Shut up. Fine, smartass. Last one to the diner picks up my tab.
No. Last one to the diner picks up everybody's tab. What?
Get that wallet ready, Spike. Yes, Spikey.
I'm getting me one of them fancy burgers.
Think again, fool.
Nobody order anything over $5.
It's a diner. Everything's over $5.
And no dessert, man. I'm gonna have to get out there and find some competition. Just waiting for the 411 on the location.
Nah, I was thinking of heading back up to the club. You should come.
Do what? The streets are slick and the night is young. I'm racing tonight.
No, I'm gonna head back to the shop. You wanna tag along? We can set you up some space.
Ooh, she gonna spiff you up, bruh.
Jealous, Spiky?
Yeah, I'm jealous of people who drive at the speed limit.
You want to see Travis tonight?
Oh, yeah, he had someone to meet.
Can't knock the hustle.
Magnus Walker's in town. You see him and Travis talking at the club?
Oh, so that's why Spike's in a hurry. Got himself a date.
A date with destiny, my man. Tonight, we ride. You can show us what you're really made of, yeah? Yeah.